My Uber X 8K monthly challenge. Hello, marhaba, khush amdeed, bakhair rale, salute, hola, bonjour, palaso. Guys, let's dive into the today video. Day 2. So the expenses for day 2: petrol 22 pounds, 10 pound food at work, 10 pound insurance, 5 pound for car depreciation, and 4 pound for car wash. So let's talk about the earning. Guys, today was the quietest day. So this is the earning. Uber 155 pounds, 65 pound Bolt, in total 220. After expense and before tax 169 pound in 11 hours of work. Let me know in the comment box, is it 169 pound before tax is good or bad in 11 hours? Let me know, guys. Guys, follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and I will be posting every day for the next 30 days. Another good news, when I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away an incredible 5 days all-inclusive holiday, including flight ticket to Dubai or Morocco. When I reach the 50k subscriber on YouTube channel, I will be selecting one subscriber from the list randomly, and the lucky subscriber will get the incredible holidays for free. There will be a 500 TikTok followers giveaway on each video. The criteria for this giveaway: you must subscribe, like, and comment on each video. So after 7 days of the video publishing, I will scroll down the comments and I will select one lucky winner, and I will promote his TikTok account and get him 500 followers for free. So why are you waiting? Follow the criterias and you can win incredible holiday trip as well as TikTok followers.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on